Hey guys, Jesse Howard here. Have you ever had to remove a section of wet, rotted, or mold impacted subfloor but wanted to set the depth properly so that you didn't hit the framing, cords, or plumbing that might be underneath? Stay tuned through this tutorial and we'll show you how to do it.
You want this opening, like get a teeth here that cut, but you want this little clean out to be just past. You know, the material cutting, that lets, and when it cuts the wood, that lets the debris kind of get out of there so it doesn't fall down as easy. Pull that back and then just measure down. Find where the tooth is, like at the top of its arc or whatever. You cut in the middle, and then both pieces are going to come down. You're going to pinch the blade, and then it's either going to catch a tooth and kick back at you, super dangerous, or it's just not good. You want the side you're cutting to have one fall piece, so as you cut here, it opens that cut up. I almost always pull this up and just kind of hold it. I don't ever use this. Like, this gauge is okay if you're cutting like super rough stuff, but if you're snapping a line, you can't use that. It's not gonna be accurate. I always just look on the side of the blade.